and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 25 daily use sentences. So let's get started. So the first sentence is क्या तुम कहीं जा रहे हो? Are you going somewhere? आप इतने परेशान क्यों हैं? Why are you so worried? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाऊं? What do I bring for you? ये किताब किसकी है? Whose book is this? दरवाजे पे कौन है? Who is at the door? कलम मेज पर है. Pen is on the table. मैं अंदर आ रहा हूँ. I am coming in. मैं उससे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. I want to say something to him. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have said so. हमें सफलता का पूरा भरोसा है. We are sure of success. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? घबराओ मत. Don't worry. तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? मैं तुमसे जरूर मिलूंगा. I'll surely meet you. मैं आपका इंतजार करूंगा. I will wait for you. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. I want to say something to you. तुम परसों मुंबई में थे. You were in Mumbai day before yesterday. चलो कहीं घूमने चलते हैं. Let's go somewhere for a walk. तुम मुझसे मिलने कब आओगे? When will you come to meet me? मुझे अपने आप पर भरोसा है. I believe in myself. तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't make any difference. मैं अगले महीने ऊटी जाऊंगा. I'll go ऊटी next month. जब तुम आए मैं टीवी देख रहा था. When you came, I was watching TV. क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? So friends, these were 25 daily use sentences. So if you all found these sentences useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video.